What's going on YouTube, man? We back at it with another video. You already know what time it is, man. We got another upgrade for the channel, man. It is going to be the blackout. So we basically doing a Chrome delete. And remember, everything that I used in the video, I'm gonna have pictures within the video, probably after I'm talking, off of everything that I use. So as far as this, man, we also have the letters. And then we also have the trim. So let's get into it. All right, so after you wash it and dry it off with your towel, rubbing alcohol, put on a rag and go over the trim and the letters and the emblem. All you do next is just peel the back off of them, and then I'm gonna use the dryer to heat them up. You just put them on and press down on them and they'll stick. So other than that, y'all, I'm about to go out and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. After that, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, everything is in this video with all the products that I used, and I showed y'all step by step. And if y'all new, make sure you subscribe, hit the like, comment. If you have any questions, I'll hit y'all ASAP. And other than that, follow the links in the description for my TikTok, and I will see y'all soon in the next post.